Hey guys, in this video we're going to be discussing more shower remodeling ideas, this time in the form of frameless glass shower doors. So we're going to show you what is involved with these doors, how you do the planning for when you need to make the template, and much more. It's going to be a lot of fun. There are two different components to this glass shower door. First, you have the door that has a handle. So it opens up into the shower. It actually swings back out too. So the hinges are made such that this door can open inward or outward. The second component is a fixed panel, and this wraps up around our solid quartz bench top. So this panel stays in place. One of the biggest questions we get asked is, well, when should you order the glass shower door? Well, don't order anything until the walls are completely tiled. So the reason why you do that is you need to get an accurate measurement between the two tiled walls. Otherwise, if you order the door beforehand, you might be wasting a lot of money. It should be no surprise that if these walls are not completely flat and plumb, the installation of the glass shower doors is going to be difficult at best. So the installation of these doors actually begins way back at the beginning when you're checking the studs for plumbness, evenness, and level. And when you're done with all the framing, the waterproofing of the walls, and the tile work, the tile walls should be completely plumb and level. What made this glass template a little bit challenging is this cut here along the shower bench. So it's also important that the front face of this bench be perfectly plumb or straight up and down. If this section of the bench is not completely plumb, it's going to make the templating for this glass a little bit difficult. That said, this shower bench is flat left to right, but it does have a pitch to it coming into the shower to allow the water to drain properly. So you have to account for that pitch when you're making the template for the glass. So keep all that in mind. Now there are 4 different accessories that we ordered ahead of time for this glass before we templated it. The first item we had to purchase was the handle. This is a 6-inch chrome handle. It's 2 3/4 of an inch from the edge of the glass here. We centered it at 36 inches from the top of the glass. So first thing you have to order is the handle. Oh, the other thing that we wanted to mention is there are 1/2-inch holes that we requested be drilled into the glass for the handle. Now because this door is 72 inches tall, we were able to just use 2 hinges. There's one at the bottom here and there's one at the top. And you want to order these to match the handle. So we got these from CRL. And they're in chrome. The third item that you'll have to get is U-channel. This is what the glass slides into along all these different transitions here. So you need to get enough U-channel for the tile wall, the shower bench in this case, and then the curb. If you want additional support for the fixed panel, you can get a support arm also from CRL. So this goes into the glass panel and then into the tile wall and into a support member that's in the wall, for example, a stud or a 2x10. We requested that a hole be put about 12 inches from the edge of the fixed glass panel. And what we did is we set the support arm at a 45-degree angle that went into the tile. So this will help this fixed panel be nice and strong. This glass is 3/8 of an inch thick, so we got the U-channel that would fit 3/8 inch glass. Before I forget, if you're doing a shower remodel or a complete bathroom remodel, definitely check out bathroomrepairtutor.com. That's where we have all of our complete video tutorials. They're step-by-step, they're super helpful, they adhere to industry standards, and we're constantly updating it, and it's a tremendous help to you if you're doing bathroom remodeling. So definitely check out bathroomrepairtutor.com. So guys, remember, the installation of glass shower doors actually begins at the beginning of your shower remodel. So if you're planning to use a glass shower door, you want to make sure, number 1, all your studs are plumb and level with each other. Number 2, that your backer boards are nice and plumb as well. So in this case, we use weedy backer boards. And then finally, when you're setting your tile, that tile is flat, even, and also plumb. So if those three things are not in place, it's going to make the installation of a frameless glass shower door very, very tough. So make sure that you're taking all these things into consideration when you're planning the remodel of a shower. And then of course, if you have any questions for us, you can just ask those down below and we're happy to help you out. So thanks for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like the tips, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.